What in the world is a bad idea? Oh! Oh!
Do it, do it, do it! Every day you get to see a 600-pound reptile. Oh my God. There you go. Look at that right there. He's done fighting. Coming in. Man, pick up your tail.
Oh my gosh! We'll just tie up to the other boat. Oh my God. Yikes! Okay. Ah! Oh my gosh! You can't do that to me! You can't! You've got to stop. Is me screaming like encouraging him? Yeah. Oh my God! I know you're so calm, but I'm so scared of you. I'm so scared. Jump. Oh my God!
Oh, he's got you now.
Oh Lord Jesus! Oh God, you're good. You're good. You're good, Crystal.
Use your boogies, bitch. Put it in your mouth.
I gotta put it in your mouth.
Come on, hurry up.
You dropped your breath.
I'm not sure which side I slobbered on, which side he slobbered on. You gotta go all the way. Go for it. Oh, yuck.
Looks like its tongue is so big it takes over the whole passenger.
I got you. Ah! Quit licking everything! Quit licking things! Oh, you got bad breath too! Oh, you got some bad breath! Ah, you're such a bad breath. Ah, you're almost getting me! You got longer tongue than a giraffe, it looks like. Get out of here. Alright, dude.
Sore on your feet, isn't it?
This is the only place in the world you can do this. Don't try this in Kruger Park, eh? Did you get it? Let's start with you. Excuse me. Very nice. Stand here. Look careful. Touch. Go in there. Kiss it sooner. Nice to meet you.
The box. The box. Just give it a box here. Okay, that's enough, yeah? Thank you very much for that. Oh, God. One last bit. There you go. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you soon. No.
Oh my, hi guys, wait, one for you. Wait, oh man, is your breath foul? You have foul breath. Here.
No one can say no to treats, not even wildebeest.
700 บาท ไม่
स्नेक से इधर आ जाओ, स्नेक से इधर आओ बच्चे, मेरे पास, अरे बैठना, स्नेक से इधर आ जाओ।
He doesn't want bananas. He wants Instagram followers.
I love you.
Perfecto.
You good boy? You jealous? Hi, Finnegan.
He must be enjoying those scratches a lot.
Oh, he's loving that.
Laissez tourner la voiture, putain. T'avais raison, oui. Oui. Mais non, mais elle va abîmer la voiture là. T'es mort. Voilà, je lui ai fait peur là.
Look at that little one! Look at the tiny one! Wait! He's so cute! We're all just saying, look at the piggy when that Cam is getting attacked by an ostrich. Pigs!
Okay.
No!
That's
He's
good.
going to peck me!
He's gonna peck you.
Thank God he's friendly.
Oh, so impressive. So good.
There you go. Throw it.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, nice catch.
10 out of 10 catch. Would draft him first round in the MLB.
What the is happening right now?
Guys, get your new Instagram.
Sean, hit your cigar. 0 folks. This is a joke, right? Oh my god. He's making her a pee.
An uninvited guest joins the family picnic.
The dog.
Start talking to it. Come on, man, walk right up
Yeah, I
the road.
couldn't believe it when you were that close.
Come on, let's go for a walk. Let's go see what people are. Come on.
Turn around, come back this way, Joey, so you can follow you.
Here, let's go this way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. This way. Come on. Get your film on this. Come on. Let's go this way. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come here. You want the mooted, I know what you want. Huh? Scared of him? Make you nervous? What are you doing, buddy?
Here's a joke for you. What do you call a horse that skips leg day? A moose.
Can I have a kiss, please? Stop! Come on! Come on! Thank you. You're a good boy. There you go.
I don't know what she got, but she went right.
You went right for the kiss there. So do you want to do it? Let me get one.
Jesus Christ.
Come here, Bubba. The big one.
Oh,
Jeez.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, Mr. Office Friends.
Yeah, that's my buddy.
You're right. I won't put it on TikTok.
I want to pet her.
Yeah. What's up, big guy?
It's up to you.
Okay, I'm okay. All right.
Smile for the camera at least.
Aggressive spawn treatment from the nicest baboon you'll ever see.
Water buffaloes emerge in the water swimming. Now here's some of our common eland. They're my personal favorites. Very affectionate. They're dwarfed only by the giant eland, which weighs 2,000 pounds. Once again, these are fascinating animals. They're very friendly and affectionate. Say hello to the common eland.
Gentle vibes only.
Get a chance to beat some of those, bud? Steady. Put your legs apart. Put your hands on her forehead. Up, you're going.
When your giant pal plays too much.
September 4th, noontime. Small cheetah, just got lucky. Didn't have to run, didn't have to chase, just came across this baby gazelle in a hole and just playing.
Whoops, left. There we go. All right, well done. Well done.
It has some crazy stuff right
Okay,
there.
they're on the counter. Go get them.
Crazy.
I want to pet him. Billy, are you getting this?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Here. He's got the whole thing. Yeah, you like that, Steve?
Yeah.
It's snowy,
Good job.
You like it, Steve?
Hey, where's Bullwinkle, dude?
This is Bullwinkle.
Or Rocky?
Here. She's fine. You want some, Steve? You ready?
Is it on camcorder?
No, it's on picture.
Where's my phone?
Good boy.
You went in his mouth. You got a little bit of drool, huh?
Awesome.
Duke and oh, there's a bird right there. Oh, really close.
He's alright.
There's another one really close over here. Hello, bird. Please. Look, 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 look. Oh, golly. Oh, guys. Here, Amy, you want to hold him? I'm in a video. Get him. Look at Amy.
Stay close to me so he can get it.
Okay, bird, I think that's all. Grammy would have freaked out.
Someone else smelled the treats from a mile away.
He loves you, doesn't he? He says, oh, give me some of that. That's good.
Say cheese. You sent this on your family here.
0 to 60 in 3 seconds flat. Straight into cuddle mode.
Hello, Gambit. Gambit the giraffe. Gambit the friendly giraffe.
That's not a giraffe. That's a 14-foot food inspector.
And yes, he can even leap on board when the boat's at full speed.
Look out.
Ah, it's you. Friendly boy. Hey, Bundu. How are you, big tuna? Whoa, saying hi to Chucky, are you? All right, buddy. Have a nice day, Bundu. You are so friendly. Bye, big guy. Ciao.
Красавец, Саня, красавец. Как собака, да?
Come and say hello, guys. Give him a pass.
Oh, when the dog loves it as much as they do.
Yeah. Nice ride. Oh, yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Brain says danger, but if not friend, why friend shaped? This guy chose one hell of a friend.
So these are cheetahs, baby cheetahs. And we're in South Africa, in Johannesburg. And this is very exciting and scary at the same time. Oh, he's coming to lick your arm. That's so cute. You want to lick? Want to lick?
They're really cute. What are their names?
How cute is this?
This one's Shimza.
I feel so lucky.
Victoria.
When your stuffed animal is alive and weighs 200 pounds.
Доливай, ну животное пить хочет.